Have you ever wondered why gold is so valuable? Since the dawn of civilization, this lustrous yellow metal has captivated the human imagination like no other. Its allure lies not just in its gleaming beauty, but also in its rarity and the enduring value it represents. Picture, if you will, the ancient civilizations of Egypt and Rome. Their obsession with gold was so profound that it was deeply embedded in their culture and mythology. Gold was seen as a divine and indestructible metal, a symbol of the gods and immortality. Fast forward to the Middle Ages and the Renaissance, gold continued to hold its sway. It wasn't just a precious metal anymore. It became a measure of wealth, power, and status. Kings and queens adorned themselves with gold, and their empires were built on it. Even today, in the 21st century, gold still holds its ground. It's more than just a metal. It's a global currency, a financial safety net, a hedge against economic uncertainty. Its rarity only adds to its appeal. You see, unlike other commodities, there's a finite amount of gold on Earth. It's not something we can manufacture or synthetically produce. So the next time you see a piece of gold, remember, you're not just looking at a shiny object. You're looking at a piece of history, a symbol of wealth and power, a universal store of value that has stood the test of time. Gold's universal appeal and rarity have made it a symbol of wealth and a store of value for thousands of years. But did you know that gold is more than just a pretty metal? Indeed, gold is a heavyweight in the financial world. As an asset, it has been a symbol of wealth and a form of currency for centuries. Today, it continues to be a vital player in the global economy. Let's delve into the concept of gold as a financial asset. When we talk about financial assets, we're referring to items that hold value: stocks, bonds, cash. These are all examples of financial assets. Gold, too, falls under this category. But it's not just any asset. Its value doesn't depend on an issuer's promise to pay. Instead, gold carries an intrinsic value that has been recognized universally for thousands of years. Gold is traded in various forms around the globe. Physical gold can be bought in the form of jewelry, coins, or bars. Gold can also be traded virtually through exchange-traded funds, futures contracts, or digital gold currency. The vibrant trade of gold reflects its demand and its significance in the financial market. A key aspect of gold's financial role is its use as a hedge against inflation. In simple terms, a hedge is an investment that is made to reduce the risk of adverse price movements in an asset. When inflation hits, the value of currency drops. But gold? It tends to move in the opposite direction. As the cost of living increases, so does the price of gold. This makes gold a safe haven in times of economic instability, protecting investors from the eroding effects of inflation. Moreover, gold's stability is not just about its resistance to inflation, it's also about its enduring value. Despite the ups and downs of the economy, gold has maintained its worth throughout history. It's not susceptible to the whims of the stock market or the volatility of cryptocurrencies. Gold is steady. Gold is reliable. Gold's stability and intrinsic value make it a crucial financial asset in times of economic uncertainty. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, understanding gold's role in the financial world can be a golden ticket to safeguarding your wealth. So where does all this gold come from? That's a question that's been asked for millennia. The answer lies in the intricate process of gold mining, a journey that takes us from the depths of the earth to the gleaming gold pieces we all recognize. First up is exploration. This is a high-stakes game of geological detective work. Geologists and engineers use advanced technologies like remote sensing and geochemical analysis to locate potential gold deposits. They're searching for telltale signs of gold, such as certain rock formations or mineral anomalies. Once a promising site is identified, it's time for drilling to extract samples and confirm if there's gold below. Next comes extraction, the phase where we physically retrieve the gold from the earth. This could involve open-pit mining, where a large hole is dug into the earth, or underground mining, which requires tunnels to reach the gold deposits. Regardless of the method, extraction is a labor-intensive process that often involves blasting rocks, hauling ore, and crushing it to release the precious gold within. Finally, we reach the refining stage. This is where the raw gold is purified into the shiny metal we're familiar with. The ore is heated to high temperatures to melt the gold, separating it from other materials. This molten gold is then cooled and shaped into bars or coins, ready to enter the marketplace. But let's not forget the challenges and environmental impact of gold mining. It's a process that requires vast amounts of water and energy, and often leaves behind toxic waste. Mining can also disrupt local ecosystems and communities, raising important questions about sustainability and ethical sourcing. So the next time you hold a piece of gold, remember the journey it's been on. From the hidden depths of our Earth, through complex processes of exploration, extraction, and refining, it's been transformed into the treasure that we value so highly. The process of bringing gold from the depths of the Earth to our hands is a complex and challenging one. What's in store for the future of gold? As we cast our gaze forward, we see a world where gold continues to hold an undeniable appeal. It's not just about its lustrous beauty or its status as a safe haven asset, but about the ever-evolving ways we use and value this precious metal. The mining industry is on the brink of a new era, with technological advancements promising to make the extraction of gold more efficient and environmentally friendly. Innovations like automation and data analytics are already changing the game, potentially unlocking deposits that were previously inaccessible or uneconomic to mine. Looking forward, we might see the rise of biomining, where bacteria are used to extract gold from ore, a process that could dramatically reduce the environmental impact of mining. Meanwhile, the digital revolution is reshaping the financial landscape, with cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin often hailed as digital gold. Yet despite the rise of these digital assets, they're unlikely to replace gold entirely. Gold, after all, is tangible. It's something you can hold in your hand, and that has a value recognized universally. Unlike digital currencies, which are still subject to regulatory uncertainties and technological vulnerabilities. And let's not forget the enduring demand for gold in sectors like electronics and jewelry. Gold's unique properties, including its high conductivity and resistance to tarnish, make it indispensable in a wide range of high-tech applications, from smartphones to space satellites. In the world of jewelry, gold's timeless allure is undiminished, with emerging markets in particular driving strong demand. At the same time, we must acknowledge the challenges. As with any commodity, the price of gold is subject to fluctuations, influenced by a complex interplay of global economic and political factors. And while new mining technologies promise to increase efficiency, they also require significant investment, posing a challenge for smaller operators. But despite these challenges and the competition from new digital players, the future of gold looks bright. Gold's enduring value, both as a financial asset and a material resource, ensures its relevance in our world for the foreseeable future. Despite new challenges and competition, the future of gold remains bright. So why should we care about gold? Well, let's take a moment to reflect on what we've explored so far to understand why. Gold, as we've seen, isn't just a pretty metal. It's a crucial element in our global economy. From the coins of ancient civilizations to the reserves of modern central banks, gold has been a symbol of wealth and stability for thousands of years. It's a currency that transcends borders and time, a universal medium of exchange that's recognized and valued worldwide. But gold is more than just an economic marker. It's also a significant financial asset. In times of economic uncertainty, investors often turn to gold as a safe haven. It's seen as a store of value that can retain its worth when other assets, like stocks or real estate, might be in decline. This ability to preserve wealth in turbulent times is a key reason why gold continues to be an attractive investment option. Gold's importance extends beyond its economic and financial roles, as we've seen in the intricate process of gold mining. It's a resource that requires significant effort and investment to extract, but the payoff can be substantial. The gold mining industry supports jobs and drives economic growth in many parts of the world, contributing to local communities and national economies alike. And let's not forget about the future of gold. As technology advances, we're finding new ways to use this versatile metal. From electronics to medicine, gold's unique properties make it a valuable resource in a variety of industries. And with ongoing exploration and technological innovation, There's potential for even more uses and opportunities in the future, so why does gold matter? It's not just about the shiny metal we see in jewelry or the gold bars in a vault. Gold is a symbol of wealth, a financial asset, a driver of economic growth, and a versatile resource with exciting future prospects. Its impact extends far beyond its physical form, influencing our economy, our investments, and our daily lives in countless ways. From ancient civilizations to modern economies, gold continues to play a vital role in our world. It's more than just a shiny metal. It's a symbol of wealth, a financial asset, and a resource that impacts our lives in more ways than we might realize.